Hi beautiful people, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, you're very much welcome. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. So I bring you all another recipe. Today we are having smoothie, so I thought to show you guys this delicious smoothie recipes. Here are the list of our ingredients. Here we have carrot, pear, avocado, cucumber, banana, mango and apple. We also have warm milk here. This is oat milk. Okay, so beautiful people, if you're still watching up till now, thank you so much. I really do appreciate. If you're yet to subscribe, please hit the subscription button and join the family. Okay, thank you and God bless you. Now to all my returning subscribers and my recent subscribers, thank you guys so much for being a part of this channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing my videos. I really do appreciate. God bless you for doing that. So guys, here are all of the ingredients. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all of this into the blender and blend together. So guys, the smoothie is already coming together. I'll go ahead and share the smoothie. We're going to be having this with croissants, some pastries. This looks so delicious, guys. My kids, they loved it. They had it for their breakfast this morning and they all were so grateful that I made it for them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Be sure to stay safe wherever you are and remain blessed. Bye.